In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix website builder in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started on creating your own stunning website. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the official Wix website. You can simply open your preferred web browser and type in Wix. That should take you to their homepage, where everything begins. It's important to start here to access all the features Wix has to offer. Next up, you'll need to complete either the sign-up or login process. If you're a first-time user, you'll want to sign up for a new account. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Just click on the Sign Up button and fill out the required details like your email and a secure password. If you already have an account, simply click the Login option and enter your credentials. This step is crucial, as it grants you access to your personalized workspace within Wix. Once you're logged in, you'll see the option to either design an existing site or add a new site. Since we're starting from scratch, go ahead and click on Add New Site. This is where the fun begins. You'll be prompted to choose what kind of website you want to create, whether it's for a business, personal use, or something else entirely. This selection helps Wix tailor its suggestions to better suit your needs. Now, it's time to choose from an array of templates. Wix offers a vast collection of professionally designed templates that cater to different industries and styles. Take your time browsing through these templates. Find one that resonates with the vision you have for your website. Once you've made your choice, click on it. Remember, you can always customize these templates to make them uniquely yours, so focus on a layout that you genuinely like. Speaking of customization, our next step is tailoring your selected template to fit your specific requirements. This is where you can start adding your own content. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to place elements exactly where you want them. Whether it's images, text, or widgets, you have full control over the design. You can also tweak the colors, fonts, and styles to align with your brand identity or personal taste. If you're aiming for a more professional-looking website, consider connecting a custom domain. Wix makes this easy by allowing you to connect a domain you already own or register a new one through their platform. Having a custom domain enhances your website's credibility and makes it easier for visitors to find you online. Finally, before going live, make sure to preview your site. This feature allows you to see exactly how it will appear to your visitors, ensuring that everything looks just right. If you're satisfied with the outcome, it's time to hit that Publish button. Your new website will be live on the internet and ready to welcome visitors. And there you have it. You've learned how to use Wix to create an impressive website in just a few minutes. Don't forget to explore other features that Wix offers to keep improving your site after it goes live. Thanks for joining me today, and happy site building.